Got a big cavity here, cavity there, and right there you can see all the way down to the ground inside that tree right there. Guess that's the only way out right there. Well, we're all fenced in today, guys, so we got a maple tree for you. Okay, a little bit hollow right here. Customer's worried about it falling on the house. They've also got this other maple right here. It's pretty rough shape. We're gonna bring it down. Only access point to bring this material out is right here on this gate, so we can't use the green machine today. It's gonna be guns today, folks, so that's what it is. We'll bring you guys along. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the content, you like our videos, go ahead and check out the channel. You know, you guys might get a kick out of it. Leave us a like, leave us a comment. We like hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the top. Well, YouTube, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but we got a big cavity here, cavity there, and right there you can see all the way down to the ground inside that tree right there. Whole tree is kind of maneuvering around. Looks a little sketchy, but as of now I'm gonna proceed. Just figured I'd tune in and let you guys know what's going on. With all this hollowing out here, we're just gonna pull this top. So I'm gonna throw a dirty line up through here. Dirty rope is what we call it. Dirty rope for dirty jobs. And we're gonna pull this right in that little pocket right there. We got a clothesline pole to miss there. We got the fence to miss there. This tree is sketchy, folks. Pretty sketchy. All right, there you go. This is one we don't want to pull over hard, guys. We just want to make sure it's going where we need it to go. Copy me on that, everybody. This tree is not holding in the ground very well, yes. I think you need to lead, I think, James, I think you need to come in front of the shed and lead strong that way, because the weight's going towards the fence and it's going to drift. So I'm going to kind of use you as a guy as well. It's naturally going to tip that way, so I'd like you strong, yeah, towards the end of the line of the bushes. I'm going to notch it pretty much, ooh, not, I'm going to not, yeah, no, stay, yeah. Okay. Really, I don't even really want you to put any pressure on it more than what you got. Shoo! Well, that'll make you feel better.
Little squirrel man climbing up the fence there. He don't know what's going on. He's on top of the fence. Yeah, you see him up there? Right there. Yeah. Mama took off running. She looked like she was stunned pretty good. There she is. There's that hollow there, YouTube. All the way down to the ground in there. For those of you that didn't see it before, we done got the top off.